How to make Facebook followers public. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook followers public or how you can show your followers on your Facebook profile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Facebook app, and then once you're on your Facebook app you have to tap on the three lines or your profile picture here in the top right side, or if you are using iPhone the three lines will be here in the bottom right side. So tap and open the menu, and then once you're here in the menu scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and then here tap on settings, and here in settings tap on profile settings, and then here tap on search settings here in the top, and then here search for followers, and once you search for followers tap here who can see your followers on your timeline, and then here if it's friends select public, and then here who can see your followers on your timeline also make it public, so tap here to select it. And then this is how you can make your Facebook followers public, and so this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.